Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be walking through the process of enabling two-step verification on WhatsApp. This is a simple yet important step to add an extra layer of security to your account. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select the settings. Next, tap on Account to access your account settings. Under Account, you'll see the option for two-step verification. Tap on it. Now it's time to set up your 6-digit PIN. This PIN will be required whenever you register your phone number with WhatsApp, so make sure it's something you'll remember. Next, you'll be asked to provide an email address. This is optional, but highly recommended as it allows you to recover your PIN if you forget it. Enter your email address and tap Next. Once you've completed these steps, tap Save to finish the process. Your two-step verification is now enabled. That's it. Now your WhatsApp account is more secure with two-step verification. Make sure to keep your PIN safe and remember to update your email if necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.